This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Press Start or Options to pause gameplay and open the pause menu now. This menu halts action and lets you manage gear and abilities. Scroll to the Skills tab using the D-pad or left stick. The Skills tab lists every unlocked ability and shows active skill slots. You can inspect each skill's description and requirements here. Stay in this menu while you prepare to swap active slots for immediate use. Highlight the unlocked skill you want to make active inside the Skills tab. Press the Equip button shown on screen to open slot choices. Select one of the 3 active skill slots on the right side to assign it. The UI will show the new skill icon inside that active slot immediately. Confirm the Equip command when prompted to finalize the change. This assigns your chosen ability for use in the field right after exit. Close the pause menu to return to gameplay and make the skill available. Use the assigned active skill with the button combination shown in its description. Each skill's description lists its input, cooldown, and effects so you know how it behaves. If the skill has cooldown timers, note them before engaging enemies. You can repeat this equip process anytime by reopening the pause menu to swap skills as your tactics evolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.